Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am a brain health physiotherapist, and today I want to talk about a very popular vitamin that could be dangerous for some people over the age of 60. So, if you are 60 or over, please watch this video till the end and share it with your friends so they, too, can be aware. Now, in the last few years, we have seen an increase in the use of supplements, especially vitamin D, and a lot of us think that taking vitamins is just like taking food, and it cannot do any harm to our body. But that is not true. Every vitamin has a recommended daily intake for adults. As we age, our body's ability to absorb vitamin D reduces, and so does the level of vitamin D in our blood. Now, this can cause low mood, fatigue, muscle pain, and weakness, and even dementia. So it's important to have sufficient vitamin D in our diet. Then you can get it from natural sources such as sunlight, fatty fish, fish liver, oils, eggs, beef liver, and certain types of mushrooms. Also, if you want to learn about other vitamins that are good for your brain health, click on this video on the screen. And if you take more than the recommended amount, then it can be dangerous and cause health issues. Now, too much of anything is bad, right? Even water. If you drink too much water, it can be dangerous and even kill you. So when it comes to vitamins, it's very important that we understand the right amount. Now, vitamin D is very important for our brain health, especially as we get older. And if you have kidney or liver problems, then you are at a higher risk of developing these symptoms. But as I said before, too much of anything is bad. So, if you are above 60 and you are taking high doses of vitamin D, then you may be at risk of this condition called vitamin D toxicity, the symptoms of which include nausea, vomiting, constipation, diarrhea, headache, dizziness, confusion, fatigue, and drowsiness. You should also know that too much vitamin D can interfere with the absorption of other vitamins and minerals such as zinc, iron, and calcium. Now, these symptoms can be very mild, or they can be very severe and lead to coma. Some people may even experience psychosis, hallucinations, and seizures. So, it's very important to have your vitamin D levels checked regularly. If you are taking high doses of vitamin D supplements. Now, if you don't want to take the risk of having your vitamin D levels too high, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends so they, too, can be aware of this condition. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.